Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest wearer of Retin A of them all? Is it me? What's up guys, welcome back to today's video where I'm going to share with you my 6-month retinol update. 6-month Retin A update. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it has been a full 6 months since I started prescription strength retinol. Guys, where has the time gone? Summer is almost over and fall is just around the corner. I can't believe I'm saying that. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you guys know that I've been talking about retinol, prescription strength retinol for a while now, and it's actually one of my most viewed videos and one of my most commented on and requested topics here on my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my entire before and after retinol series. I'll have it linked down below. Over the last 6 months, not only have I experienced some really crazy side effects of retinol, but I've also experienced some really amazing results that I can't wait to share with you guys. Before we go any further, if you haven't already guys, make sure to hit subscribe right down below. It's right next to that thumbs up button and that bell notification. Just go ahead and click all three. Click, click, click. Let's dive right into today's video. My 6-month prescription strength retinol update, my 6-month Retin A update. You guys are going to be shook by what I'm about to tell you. Let's do it. I guess I'll just start right at the beginning. So about 6 months ago, I went to my dermatologist to talk about retinol or Retin A. When you go to a dermatologist, it's about 100 times more potent than those products that you find at Sephora or Ulta. Retin A is so amazing for so many different things, you guys. It can help your body produce more elastin, collagen, it can help erase fine lines, wrinkles, acne, sunspots. So about 6 months ago, I met with my dermatologist to talk about my prescription strength retinol options. I mean, I'd heard so much about them online, specifically here on YouTube, but I knew that I had to meet with my dermatologist to get like the true tea on what was going on. So my dermatologist helped me pick out a retinol based on my skin, and we ended up settling on Steva A. Now I'm using 0.01%, not 0.1%, 0.01%. I know a lot of people in my other videos thought that I was using 0.1% and that I was going to burn my face off, but it's actually 0.01, so don't be too worried. So I've been using the Steva A tretinoin cream. Guys, this has been working absolutely wonderful for me for the last 6 months. Now it does come in different forms like gels, gel creams, creams, so the cream form has been working amazing for me. Let's start right at the first month, which was one of the craziest months that I've had on retinol. My skin absolutely freaked out. If you watch my original video that I filmed a week after starting retinol, I believe I only had one pimple kind of right around my mouth region around here, but trust me, as time went on, I broke out into more and more zits, especially in my mouth region and along my forehead. I had full-on pimples. Starting off with Retin A is a little bit of a double-edged sword, guys, because at first it causes acne and all those pimples, but ultimately it's working toward reducing acne, reducing zits, and reducing pimples. So it's like, okay, I've got to put up with this stuff for like the first few weeks, but ultimately for flawless skin. After the first few weeks, my skin did start to calm down from pimples, but moving into the second month and the end of the third month, you guys, this is when the dryness started. I'm sure if you've done any research on retinol, you've heard that it can dry your skin out very severely. And in fact, you have to go through this dry skin and kind of peeling skin to reveal the youthful skin underneath. So after my first month on Retin A, the stages of peeling started around my nose, you guys. I could actually pick out the flakes of skin that were forming between my nose and all around the cracks of my mouth. I don't know why, but these two areas, I assume because they're the areas where you talk the most and you're moving the most, started to peel off. They weren't even dry, you guys. They were peeling off in full skin. I could actually take the tweezers and pull off skin between my nose. I know that's so gross, but I mean, that's what I could do. So over the course of the second month, my entire face did continue to dry out. It didn't flake like those corner pieces did or like around my mouth, but all the skin along my jaw, right under my eyes and my forehead, you could see became really thin, and that top layer, if you rubbed hard, you could almost rub off. I think in my 3-month retinol update video, I actually referred to it as a zombie chin. It literally looked like I had been chewing on bath salts, you guys. My skin looked so dry and so crazy. I mean, thank God those days are over. So during those first 2 and 3 months on retinol, it is so pivotal to make sure that you guys are moisturizing your skin. You want to make sure that you're moisturizing in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and you want to make sure that you're exfoliating at least 3 times a week. I know that sounds like a lot, but initially that skin is flaking off so quickly and it's so dry. You really want to make sure that you're getting it all off the skin to reveal that youthful glowing skin underneath. It's really around the 3-month mark where I started to see the most amazing benefits from using retinol. This is when I started exfoliating regularly, moisturizing more, and using the retinol consistently. The youthfulness that I uncovered in my chin area, I know this sounds so crazy, but you guys, my marionette lines are basically not even there anymore. I noticed that the skin texture around my nasal region and my nose definitely started to change. It was way more smooth, and as soon as I committed to using retinol every single night, you guys, the skin texture around my nose has been smooth ever since. And moving into the 4th month, I started to notice a significant decrease in the daily dryness of my skin. My skin really started to normalize back out and stop getting peely, dry, and really flaky. Even the skin around my chin really normalized back out. It wasn't dry anymore, it wasn't peeling or flaking. However, even though my skin stopped peeling, it definitely was more dry than normal. So I have had to use a night mask almost every single night to hydrate my skin, to replenish that moisturizer. Into the 5th and 6th month of using prescription strength Retin A or prescription strength retinol, you guys, I've experienced nothing but benefits of being on retinol. When I finally arrived to month 6, which I'm at now, my skin texture, guys, my skin luminosity, my fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring, sunspots, every single thing that I thought retinol would do, it has done. I haven't been disappointed by using retinol for 1 second. Although in the beginning you have to push through those kind of crazy stages of dry skin, flaking skin, acne, I mean, basically everything that makes you want to stop. If you can push through it, the benefits of using retinol and Retin A are absolutely astounding. The texture and luminosity of my skin has never been this good in my entire life, you guys, and I even find my skin is a lot more plump and taut. It definitely is even more full. I'm so happy that I stuck to using retinol and didn't give up, because after those first 3 months, I mean, the benefits, honey, amazing. And that, guys, is a wrap on my 6-month prescription strength retinol update, my 6-month Retin A update. If you want to check out my entire before and after retinol series, I'll have all these videos linked down below. That way you can actually see my skin evolve month to month to month. If you guys have any tips or tricks on maximizing the results of your retinol, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to say hello, let me know. I love to hear from you guys. I reply to every single comment. If you want to keep hanging out with me between now and next video, you can watch more right here. And you can subscribe right here. If you made it to the end of this video, you guys know I love and appreciate you so much. We just passed 3,000 subscribers. I can barely believe it. Until the next video, Skincare Squad, I'll see you then. Bye.